in order to get started with your first ever HTML page, you will need to do a couple steps. There are ways to creating an HTML page. First one is by right-clicking, new text document. And for this purpose and for this way of creation, you need your file extensions on. So you need to see this .txt over here. And you can rename it to, for example, index.html. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes. And as you see, this is what we get, which is an empty web page. And now we can open it up inside our Visual Studio Code by dragging it and open. So that's it. As you see, now we have index.html opened up. Another way to do that is to click on open folder over here, come to desktop, create a new folder for our project. So this is my first project, or we can call it Hello World. This is a classic way to start off with programming. And I choose it and click select folder. And over here, by clicking, yes, I trust the authors. And over here, by clicking this icon, this new file icon, we will be able to name our file index.html and have the exact same thing over here. So now we have a web page. In order to see that, we need to open it up with a browser, which I'm using Google Chrome for right now. And as you see, this is our web page, an empty one. So whatever I write over here, for example, I say hello world, and I reload this, and as you see, I don't see any changes, because this is a very important thing to keep in mind. Every single change that you make to any kind of a project is that whenever you change the code, you need to save the file in order to be able to see the changes that it creates. And as you see, we have Hello World written over here. As easy as that. Beforehand, let me go to preferences and try to change the font size for you guys, because I think it's very small. You know what I'm saying? Settings. I say font, yes, and I change it to 24. I think will be okay. Yes, or even bigger, like 26. Okay, so this is it. As you see, we just wrote something, we just typed something over here, and we saw it in the browser. But this is not going to be this easy forever. So what we are going to do in the continue to our work is that we need to behave in a frame. And that is why HTML exists. This is not actually this easy, as I said. And we have a frame. But the question that comes to mind at first is that when we can do it like this, so you can easily type anything over here, type anything over here and save and see the changes over here, why do we need to follow that frame? And that is a very brilliant question. But there's also a very logical answer to that question. Because in real world projects and in websites, etc., this hello world may be very different with this type anything over here. And we need to specify those differences. Wherever we have an image, we need to specify what kind of an image it is and what is this image talking about. Whenever we have a link, we need to specify the URL to that link, the purpose to that link, and the anchor to that link. Whenever we have headings, we need to specify what they are, how important they are. Whenever we have a quotation, we need to specify that. Whenever we have a list, we need to specify that. And all of that make this kind of typing impossible when we are working on real-world projects. And that's why HTML is created. That's why we have frames in web. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.